इसीलिए कहते हैं दोस्तों, हर जगह मुंह नहीं मारना चाहिए। कभी कभी हर शिकार शिकार नहीं होता।
Amazing Lucas. I hit him hard.
Opening it!
Get it shut. Pull it back.
Look at the size of him.
Come on, look at this. The lion's bowing. I can't believe it. They're bowing to him. This is impossible.
Josh.
Hold on! Atlas off! Off! It's gonna get in! Stay behind me! Atlas, leave it! Leave!
Jesus!
Oh no. They're gonna fight. Listen. He's pushing the line back. Unbelievable. Stay in.
Hey, open! Easy! Stop! Oh my God! Look at that! Boy, let him run! Unbelievable!
Look at that. He's coming behind it.